Congratulations for your new Sol One device. In this video, I will guide you through the assembly and the installation. First, let's unbox. Assembling Sol One is easy. Take the parts out from the box by starting with the top parts. Be careful, the porcelain is very fragile. Fill the water bowl until the indicator mark and put it inside the bottom parts. You can now place the top part on the bottom part and plug the device into a wall socket. Choose either the scenting or the ionization module. It's time to connect your smartphone with Sol One. Search Sol One in Google Play or the App Store. On the very first use, type in the factory default PIN 1234. Feel free to take a minute and get familiar with the app and read the user manual for safety instructions. Good job! Your Sol One is now ready to use with your smartphone. Be sure to explore all the powerful functions inside the Sol One app and have fun!